Having a bad credit score can be a frustrating and stressful experience, especially when you need to borrow money or apply for a credit card. However, it's never too late to take steps to recover from bad credit and rebuild your credit score in India. Here are some tips to help you get started. Check your credit report. The first step to rebuilding your credit score is to check your credit report. You can obtain a free credit report once a year from the Credit Information Bureau of India, CIBIL. Review your report carefully and look for any errors or discrepancies. If you find any errors, dispute them with the Credit Bureau. Pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time is one of the most important things you can do to improve your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you don't miss any payments. Late payments can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, so it's essential to make timely payments. Reduce your debt. If you have high credit card balances or other debts, work on reducing them. Aim to keep your credit card balances below 30% of your credit limit. You can also consider consolidating your debts with a personal loan at a lower interest rate. Don't close old credit accounts. Closing old credit accounts can hurt your credit score as it reduces your available credit. Keep your old accounts open, even if you don't use them often, as they show a long credit history. Apply for new credit wisely. While it's essential to have a mix of credit types, avoid applying for too many new credit accounts at once. Every time you apply for credit, it shows up as a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can lower your score. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to manage your debts, seek help from a financial advisor or credit counselor. They can help you create a budget, negotiate with creditors, and develop a debt repayment plan. In conclusion, recovering from bad credit takes time and effort, but it's possible with the right steps. Regularly checking your credit report, making timely payments, reducing your debt, and seeking professional help can all help you rebuild your credit score in India. Remember, a good credit score can improve your chances of getting approved for loans, credit cards, and even rental agreements, so it's worth the effort to work on improving it.